Everybody, Brian back here with a look at Myro. Last video we did, we talked about how this thing has just been bouncing around in this range. Okay, we had a low, we came up high, low, high, low, just going back and forth between 9.7 and roughly just about 6 cents here. Okay, it's just been bouncing back and forth here. All right, now when bright spot here, okay, on the 12-hour here, you did have a higher high right here, took out this high over here, and you had a higher low. All right, took out these lows over here. All right, now if we put a fib on here, that's what we talked about the last video, kind of a do or die for Myro. All right, it either got a bounce here or it was coming down towards that 3 cent area we've been looking for. Okay, now you can see up through here, this thing did wick down through that 786, but it regained traction and is making a move to the upside. All right, we even said that the last video. Don't be surprised if this makes a push up. The big thing is taking out these areas, 9.7. Okay, that's a massive area. We have not been through there since August the 3rd. That's the last time price action was above this line right here. So it's been quite a long time. All right, whoops, sorry about that. Did not mean to do that on the fib. Let's make this line here a little bit bigger. There we go. All right, so looking for a break of 9.7. Are we going to get it? Well, if you count Elliott waves, all right, you potentially have a 1, 2, working on a third wave here. All right, now if we look and see where we could be at as far as Fibonacci levels, these are huge because you're going to have to break through that 618,702. And look where we're at. We are busting through that 702 area. All right, you're going to want to see a clear break of resistance right up through here. You're going to want to see this taken out. Okay, completely. All right, so break of roughly 9 cents there. Okay, we get above there, then we could be looking at potentially taking out 9.7. All right, which would absolutely be huge. If we come out here on a daily chart, all right, you can see, actually it's going to weekly. Makes it a little bit easier to comprehend here. Let's get that off there. All right, now you can see, I've been talking about this for a long time here. You got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and that fifth wave down. All right, now to take out this fourth wave, this thing would eventually have to come up above 17.6. All right, 17.6, and take that out. That would convince me that was not going down any further, and that we're heading to the upside. All right, now if we zoom in on this 4-hour, we are making a move here, which is looking good. 1, 2, 3, working on that third wave here. Now let's use a trend-based fib and see if that could potentially give us an idea where it could be headed. That would give it a target. Not saying it's heading here, okay? But trend-based Fibonacci's, sometimes these things work very, very well. Other times they don't. Let's check over here with this. Let's look at this move right here on this one. Yeah, whoops, pull back to the beginning. Yeah, see, we made it up between a 2618, 3618 on this. Did not make the full extension. And sometimes they do. Sometimes they nail it right on the head too. It's crazy. Sometimes they're very, very accurate, and other times they're not. All right, so we'll just have to play that. That didn't do us much good there, unless it ends up pulling that out. But this third wave, this should be your longest, strongest wave of the move, and then a fourth wave pullback, and then a fifth wave up. Like I said, this 9.7 is going to be massive. You got your 4-hour RSI, the relative strength index, right at the top. The 8-hour is at a 100 and a 100. Okay, the 12-hour is still heading up. That's great. Your daily looks fantastic. All right, the daily looks really good. Higher highs and higher lows through here, for sure. You had this low and down here. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, kind of it's a higher low than over here. looking for a higher high to come out of here now. All right, that daily heading to the upside. The weekly is still bullish. Your 5-day is still bullish, and your 3-day is trying to turn back to the upside. All right, so Myro is definitely trying to make a move here. Absolutely. All right, like I said, that 9-7, if it can bust that, that is a big indicator that this thing could head higher. You know, if it breaks through 9-7, you know, potential next target for that thing after 9-7 would be up towards 11-7. All right, so that'd be pretty huge for this thing. So keep your eye on Myro. Watch for a break of this upper area. What about 0.089? Somewhere right around there, and then this 9-7. That's the massive one. That if we break through that, then we might have something starting here. That'd be great to see. You know, maybe we have a, you know, who knows? Maybe overall we have a bigger 1, 2, maybe a third. You know, who knows? It's really hard to tell with crypto. We get Bitcoin dominance plummeting, and all these are going to take off. Right? Bitcoin's right up in that zone, but Bitcoin dominance, that's the one we want to see roll over. All right, right over. Let's pull it up here, see where it's at. I haven't checked it today. Bitcoin dominance is up to 58.17 out on a weekly. Yeah. Has to get up towards that 60%, 2 more percent, all right, or 2 more clicks here as far as percentages. You know, 3.5% away. All right, so we are getting there. Then we're expecting a rejection and a rollover. All right, so don't count Myro. I'm sure Myro will be in the party. It's not just going to stay out of it here, especially since it's been down here consolidating for so long. You know, maybe winding up here. It's held this low. You know, and it's just been in this range, going sideways, consolidating sideways, hopefully building up strength to get moving here. So we'll see what happens. Keep your eye on this thing, 9-7. Break of that, and we got something started. Have a great day. Please hit that like and subscribe, guys. Consider signing up for that level 3 membership. Man, oh man, we've been killing it in the Discord with these trades. It's been a great week over there. Fetch has been a real money maker this week. Pepe, it's only $14.99. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to the Discord to come over there and trade with us. All right, so you know, sign up for a month. If you don't like it, cancel it. If you're making money with us, then keep it and stay in there. You know, we've had people stay for months and months and months. They're not staying there because they're losing money. All right, so have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.